Swinch manual impact wrenches, the cure for the breaker bar. Power, speed, portability, and safe operation when you need it, where you need it. Tired of that back-breaking, knuckle-knocking exertion trying to loosen frozen nuts and bolts? Are you concerned about the safety risks of falling breaker bars, sudden releases of a frozen nut, or shocks transmitted through the handle? Are you retightening with confidence? Got it. Let Swinch be your solution. Made in the USA by PowerHawk Technologies, Swinch impact wrenches safely deliver immense power manually. The Swinch patented RotoSledge impact head gives a single operator the strength of Hercules by converting internal spring power into heavy torsional impact blows. Simply press on the handle to wind it up, and after 30 degrees of rotation, the Swinch takes over, delivering up to 63 times the force applied to the handle. This impact torque is transmitted directly to the attached impact socket or accessory, providing extraordinary power in a lightweight and portable handheld tool. Swinch models range in maximum output torque from 500 to 7,000 foot-pounds. Because the Swinch is completely self-contained, there are no bulky and expensive auxiliary power sources needed, such as with hydraulic or compressed air systems. Take the Swinch where you need it, including those tight spots. It can even be used underwater. Swinch manual impact wrenches come in different sizes. The super compact Model 62550 with a half-inch drive weighs in at only 6 pounds and delivers an incredible 500 foot-pounds of torque. A 3/4-inch drive version, Model 62575, is also available. The Model 750 with a 3/4-inch drive blasts out an impact torque of up to 800 foot-pounds and weighs only 11 pounds. Need more power? Try the Model 1000 with a 1-inch drive to deliver a stunning 2,000 foot-pounds of torque in a tool that weighs only 23 pounds. The largest Swinch sizes are Models 1250 and 1500, which provide mammoth impact torques of 4,500 and 7,000 foot-pounds. A variety of Swinch kits are available to meet your needs. They include a wide range of impact sockets and accessories, including extensions, offsets, box end wrenches, adapters, and more. Heavy-duty cases with corner wheels and foam cutouts provide rapid inventory storage and quick portability. Loosen those frozen nuts and bolts quickly, easily, and safely, and retighten with confidence. Swinch manual impact wrenches, providing you with the power, speed, portability, and safe operation you need to get the job done.